Hey guys, so I've got this MiaLife multi-surface touch-up paint here. It's used for walls, doors, cabinets, paneling, and furniture. I've got a few spots here, here, and here. So let's open this up. It says it's store in a cool, dry place, shake the bottle for 1 minute. Base must be clean, free, and dry. We'll open it up here. It looks just like a whiteout. We'll shake it up. Top is kind of stuck there. And we'll kind of just put some coats on here. It definitely reminds me of whiteout when you're putting it on. The consistency is pretty much the same. But it says just continue to put some thin coats on it and allow to dry for 24 hours after you put this on. And got these spots up here. There we go. We got another one down here. Let's see, take the basket out. And this is definitely, it's a little bit whiter than the actual tray here. I could have gotten like an off-white. It does come in off-white, but I just got this kind. So as you can see here, this is what it looks like as it's drying. I just put a few little spots here on it. And we'll see how it works, but hope this helps. And this is used for outdoors as well, so it should withstand water. Again, this is the MiaLife touch-up paint.